Have you ever felt like life is a series of closed doors? Like no matter how hard you work, you are always one step behind? Most people think failure is a sign to stop. They think it is a curse or bad luck. But they are wrong. Failure is not a wall. It is a mirror. It shows you exactly what you need to change. In a small town nestled between high mountains, there lived a potter named Elias. Elias was 40 years old, and he was unhappy. His workshop was dusty. His tools were rusted, and his pots often cracked in the kiln. When a customer complained, Elias would blame the weather. When he ran out of money, he blamed the townspeople for being cheap. He felt like the world was against him. One day, a wealthy traveler came to town. He wanted 10 large vases for a grand feast, and offered a gold coin for each. Elias was desperate to finish quickly. He didn't refine his clay properly. He left small air bubbles inside, and didn't wait for the pots to dry completely before firing them. He will never know, Elias whispered to himself. But when the traveler came to collect the vases, 3 of them shattered the moment they were touched. The traveler looked at the pieces and sighed. You did not fail because of bad luck, Elias. You failed because you tried to build beauty on a foundation of shortcuts. He left without buying a single pot. Elias was devastated. He felt the sting of shame. That night, he decided to leave the town forever. As he walked through a dark forest, a storm began. He took shelter under a massive, fallen oak tree. An old woodsman was already there, tending a small fire. Elias complained to the old man. I am cursed. Everything I touch breaks. The woodsman pointed to the fallen oak. Look at this tree. From the outside, it looked like a giant. But look at the center. It is hollow and rotten. It didn't fall because of the storm. It fell because it stopped growing from the inside. Long ago, a storm only reveals the work you haven't done. Elias stayed silent. He realized the woodsman was right. He had been blaming the world, but he was the one who stopped caring about his craft. He had been hollow, like the tree. The next morning, Elias did not run away. He went back to his workshop. He cleaned every tool. He spent days digging for the finest clay. He apologized to the traveler and the townspeople. He didn't ask for money. He asked for a second chance to prove his worth. He learned that every crack in his old pots was a lesson on how to build the next one stronger. Slowly, his reputation changed. He became known not for his speed, but for his integrity. He realized that success is not the absence of failure. It is the mastery over it. If you want to change your life, stop running from your mistakes. Embrace them. Here are 3 steps to turn your failures into your greatest power. First, own the outcome. Stop blaming your boss, the economy, or your luck. When you take 100% responsibility, you take 100% of the power to fix it. Second, find the root cause. Ask yourself, Did I fail because of a lack of skill? Or a lack of character? Be honest. You cannot fix a problem you refuse to see. Third, rebuild with quality. Don't rush to get back to where you were. Start again from the beginning. But this time, do it right. Focus on the process, and the results will take care of themselves. Remember, the biggest success comes after the biggest lessons. Don't fear the fire. Use it to make yourself unbreakable.